Building EHR software is not just about coding patient records. It takes workflow planning, strong security, careful testing, and long-term support. Next is the EHR software development process in detail. Let's go.
The first step is understanding how care is delivered. In this stage, teams have to know what the system needs to do, what features it should have, and who will use it. Then, mapping workflows like patient intake, charting, prescribing, billing, user roles, and required integrations with labs, pharmacies, or other systems.
Security and compliance should also be planned from the beginning. EHR systems need access control, audit logs, encryption, secure authentication, and support for rules like HIPAA, GDPR, or local healthcare privacy laws. Plan these carefully to ensure your launching phase is smoother. Next, the team designs clear screens, simple navigation, and useful layouts for doctors, nurses, staff, and managers. A prototype, or MVP, helps real users test key workflows before full development begins. At the development stage, teams will build the front-end, back-end, database, integrations, cloud setup, and security controls. Most teams use agile sprints to build features like patient records, scheduling, billing, charting, and role-based access step by step. Testing is critical in healthcare software. Here, teams have to check core features, integrations, interoperability, security, access permissions, data accuracy, performance, usability, backups, and recovery before real patient data is used. The deployment stage is when the EHR system is prepared and released for real use. At this point, the focus is on moving the system from the development environment into a live environment where staff can access it safely and reliably. It includes setting up the live environment, moving old patient data, checking data accuracy, training staff, and monitoring early issues. After launch, the EHR still needs updates, fixes, user support, and new improvements. A strong development partner helps keep the system secure, reliable, and ready for future healthcare needs. Have an EHR software idea? Relia Software can help you turn complex healthcare workflows into a secure, reliable, and easy-to-use digital system. From planning and design to development, testing, deployment, and long-term support, our team is ready to build with you. Contact Relia Software today and let's create your healthcare solution together.